Hi everyone, this is Jitan here and welcome to another episode of TradersTV. When you first start trading in the financial markets, there's a lot of different terminology that you need to know. And one of the most commonly used terms in the foreign exchange market is the majors. So in today's episode, we're going to be talking about what the Forex majors are and why people focus on them. Let's get started.
So what are the Forex majors? Well, in the Forex market, the most traded currencies are called the majors. These include the euro dollar, pound against the US dollar, Aussie dollar against the US dollar, New Zealand dollar against the US dollar against the Japanese yen, US dollar against the Swiss franc, and US dollar against the Canadian dollar. If you see, these are actually the currencies of the G8 nations, okay? And they're called the majors because they are the most liquid currencies to trade and account for nearly 80% of the Forex market. Let's have a look on smart charts so you can see these in real time. So here, on the smart charts quote window on the left hand side, you can see there's quite a few different markets that you could potentially trade. And within those, you do have the major currencies. So you have Aussie dollar against the US dollar, you have euro dollar against the US dollar, you've got British pound against the US dollar, New Zealand dollar against the US dollar, and at the bottom you've got dollar CAD, dollar Swiss, and dollar yen. What you'll notice is that there's other currencies there to trade as well. You have the things like New Zealand against the Swiss franc, you have pound against the Canadian dollar, you have euro against the British pound, and so on. So any currency which is not a major currency is basically called a cross rate, okay? And what that means is that it's a cross rate. So effectively, when we look at CAD against the Swiss franc, that's a cross rate of US dollar against the Canadian dollar and US dollar against the Swiss franc. So there's quite a few different markets to trade here. And a lot of experienced traders tend to focus on what is happening in the major market overall, and then they take that viewpoint and then start going down to some of the other cross rates or other correlated markets.
So now you know what the Forex majors are, you may be interested in learning a little bit more detail about trading. If you click on the link below, you will visit our website where you can learn more about the educational courses we provide. I'll see you on the next video.